headache job to install this petrol tank, but we know what we're doing, so for around 40 minutes, 45 minutes, the job is done. Now the filter left. Can you pass me the filter there? That's the filter. Series 2 E-Type Roadster. You install it like this. Just circle. See on the top how it looks. And it's not easy job, but that's why I'm specialist on jacks. Not complaining. If you have any jacks like this, you want to be restored, just call me.